Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Rawat. Today we will discuss the topic of class 10th, that is very important topic, and the topic is about the trigonometry. The trigonometry it is a branch of a mathematics which deals with the triangle. If I am saying about the trigonometry, then trigonometry is made up of two Greek words. If I am saying a Greek word, the first one is trigonon plus metron. The first word is trigonon plus second one is metron. The combination of these two, trigonon plus metron, is a study of trigonometry. In the trigonon means triangle and metron means measurement. That means the trigonometry is a branch of a mathematics which deals with the triangle. Now suppose there is a triangle, this is the line segment, this is also a line segment, and this is also a line segment. Then suppose this is the first line segment, I am saying it L1, this is the second line segment, I am saying it L2, and this is the line segment, that is L3. Now where the point intersects this point and this point, we can take it as, suppose this is called a vertex A, this is called a vertex B, and this is called a vertex C. Now this AB is called a side, AC is also a side, and DC is also a side. Now these two lines, this line and this line, makes an angle A, makes an angle B, and makes an angle C. Then angle A, angle B, and angle C are angles of a triangle ABC. These are angles of a triangle ABC. Suppose this is angle A, then the side opposite to this angle is written as small a. The side opposite to this is written as B, and side opposite to this is written as C. That means small a, small b, and small c are three sides of a triangle. Three sides of a triangle. Now I was saying the trigonon plus metron means trigonometry is a branch of a mathematics which deals with the measurement of a triangle. If this is a triangle, then this angle has a relation with this, or this angle has a relation with this. Similarly, we can say these two sides have a relation with this angle, or this side has a relation with this one. That means we have to relate angle and side. Now the first thing I want to say that is angle. What is an angle? Angle means if there are two rays, suppose this is the ray 1 and this is the ray 2, second ray. In the case of a ray, it has only end point. This is the point O. Then OA is a ray and OB is also a ray. Then the circular region means this circular region. This circular region is defined as angle. This is an angle. Now the relation between this angle or this side OA, suppose this is A, OA and OB, then this angle has a relation. This is the total study with the trigonometry. Okay, now just we will define about the trigonometrical ratios. The second topic is about the trigonometrical ratio. In the trigonometrical ratio, this is about trigonometrical ratio. When I am saying about the trigonometrical ratio, then it is a ratio of a sides or ratio of an angle. If I am saying there is a triangle, suppose I am making a right angle triangle, it is a valid for the right angle triangle. If I am making a triangle like this, suppose this is a right angle triangle which is right angled here. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now ABC is right angled at B, that means angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now we have to name the sides. The side opposite to 90 degree is always considered as H. The side BC is known as base and this AB is known as perpendicular. This is the basic key for the trigonometry. We have a right angle triangle ABC which is right angled at B. Then this BC is known as base, this AC is known as hypotenuse and AB is called a perpendicular. Okay. Now I was saying about the trigonometrical ratios. Then there are 6 trigonometrical ratios. The 6 trigonometrical ratios are like the first one is sine, S-I-N-E, sine. The second one is cosine, cosine. Third one is tangent. Then it is cotangent. Then it is secant. And the last one is cosecant. These are trigonometrical ratios. The first one is sine, S-I-N-E, sine. Then it is cosine. Then it is a tangent. Then cotangent. Then secant. And then cosecant. If I am saying ABC is a right angle triangle. Just see here, this ABC is a right angle triangle and we are considering an angle between this AC and AB forms an angle, and suppose this angle is considered as theta. This word is a Greek word, that is theta. When I am saying about the theta, you can understand that it is an angle. Theta is an angle. Then this sine including theta can be written as, this will be sine of theta, S-I-N. Now it changes as sine theta. Then this cosine can be written as cos of theta. Then this tangent can be written as tan of theta. Then cotangent can be written as cot of theta. This secant can be written as sec of theta, and the cosecant is written as cosec theta. Cosec theta. The first one is sine theta. This sine is a ratio. When we are including an angle, then this will be sine theta. This is cos theta. This is tan theta. This is cot theta. This is sec theta. This is cosec theta. And you have to remember it like this only: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay. Now suppose we want to find what is the value of sine theta, what is the value of cos theta, what is the value of tan theta, what is the value of cot theta, and what is the value of cosec theta, and so on. Okay. For this one, we can use a simple trick. The trick says, suppose there is a formula, that is, you have to remind the formula, that is Pandit P. Badri Prasad. This is the first formula, Pandit Badri Prasad, har bole, har bole. I repeat, this is Pandit Badri Prasad, har bole, and similar to this you have to use a word, that is sona chandi tole. This is the word, this is the key word, this is the key form for reminding the trigonometrical ratios. Now if I am saying about the P, Pandit Badri Prasad, the Pandit means P, Badri B, and Prasad is again P. Then har H bole, that is B, and sona chandi tole. What does it exist? Then for this one, if I was saying this is the angle theta here and this is the base. This is the base means this one, B. This is perpendicular, that is P, and this is H, that is hypotenuse. Now SCT. The S is defined for sine. S means sine, C means cos, and T means tan. S means sine, C means cos, and T means tan. That means sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to base upon perpendicular upon base. Now this sin theta was written as P upon H, cos theta is written as base upon hypotenuse, and this tan theta is written as base perpendicular upon base. Now what we can do, this tan theta and cot theta are the reciprocal of each other. A similar way, this cos and this sec are the reciprocal of each other, and this cosec and this sine are reciprocal of each other. That means I can say that sine theta, this sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec of theta, or you can say cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. The second one is cos theta. Cos theta can be written as 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. And the last one, that is tan of theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Now when I was telling you Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, that means this Pandit Badri Prasad, Pandit, this P and H has a relation with sine. In that manner, when you are reciprocaling it, that means H upon P will be equals to cosec, because sine and cosec are reciprocal to each other. In the similar way you can say base upon hypotenuse is a cos theta. Then I want to find the sec theta, then sec theta will be equals to H upon B, means H means hypotenuse and B means base. And last one, that is P upon B, means perpendicular upon base, that is equals to tan theta, or you can say tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base, and you want to find the value of the cot theta, then cot theta will be equals to base upon perpendicular. Suppose we will deal it with some question. Suppose the question says, suppose this is a very short question I am just telling you. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. It is A, B and C, and there are two sides are given. Suppose this is equals to 4 and this is equals to 3, and this is the theta. This is the theta. The very important concept about this theta is whatever you want. If you want the theta, then the side opposite to the theta. Suppose this is the theta, the side opposite to theta is always considered as P. This is the main point. This is 90 degree, then side opposite to the base is always a hypotenuse, and this will be equals to base. This was only when you were taking this C as a theta. In the case, if the case arises here and you are taking here phi, this angle is known as phi. This is also a Greek word. In the case of a phi, then this two will be interchanged. Means if this was the base for theta, then for phi it will be perpendicular. This will be perpendicular for the phi, this phi. And for phi, this will be equals to base. Means they both are interchanging. That's why these two, this line and this line, are called legs of a right angle triangle. One more concept you want to need, that is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now the question was, suppose in a right angle triangle, perpendicular is equals to 4, base is equal to 3, and you want to find all the trigonometrical equations, trigonometrical ratios. When you are solving for the trigonometrical ratio, first you have to calculate P is given 3, base is given, P is given 4, and base is given 3, and you have to find the H. That means first you have to find H. Then AC square will be equals to AB that is equals to 4 whole square plus BC that is equals to 3 whole square. Then square of 4 means 4 into 4 that is equals to 16, and plus 3 into 3 that is equals to 9. If we are summing this both, 16 plus 9 that is equals to 25. If AC square is equal to 25, then we can say AC is equals to square root of 25, and square root of 25 is equal to 5. That means this h will be equals to 5. Now we have solve our question. The first we have to find the value of sine theta. Now so see, if I was saying about the sine theta, then sine theta is this one, Pandit Badri Prasad har bole, and Sona Chandi Tole means sine cos 10. If sine theta I am saying this is P upon H. What is the P here? This perpendicular. P means AB. This you can write here AB upon hypotenuse, that is AC. Right here AC. Then sine theta will be equals to AB upon AC. Then what is the value of a AB? AB is equal to 4. Then you have to write here 4, and AC, that is equals to 5. The first trigonometrical ratio, sine theta, will be equals to 4 upon 5. Then we go for the cos theta. Then cos theta will be equals to base upon hypotenuse. What is the base? That is equals to BC, and hypotenuse is again AC. Then the base is equal to 3, then it will be 3 upon 5. Now tan theta is equal to this one, base perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is equal to 4. Perpendicular is equal to AB upon base is equal to BC. That means AB is equal to 4 and BC is equal to 3. Then tan theta equals to 4 upon 3. Now you want to find the value of cosec theta. Then cosec theta and the sine theta are the reciprocal. Here I was saying this sine theta and cosec theta. These two are the reciprocal of each other. The cos and sec are the reciprocal of each other, and the tan and cot are the reciprocal of each other. In this case, if sine theta equals to 4 upon 5, then we can say cosec theta will be equals to 5 upon 4. You have to reciprocal it. This is 4 upon 5, then the 1 upon 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 4. The cosec theta will be equals to 5 upon 4. Then the reciprocal of cos, that is equals to sec theta. Then sec theta will be equals to, this is 3 upon 5. Then you have to reverse it. You have to reciprocal it. That is equals to 5 upon 3. And tan theta, that is cot of theta, is equal to 3 upon 4. In this case, by this one we can see that this is the key point. You have to remember it. Pandit Badri Prasad har bole, and sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot, sec and cosec. You have to remind it like this only: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. This was all about the trigonometry. This is the introduction of a trigonometry. Now we will you can sum the exercise, first exercise of your test book. Now we will go for the second one. Now we will discuss about the trigonometrical ratios of the specific angles. Specific angle means, if I am saying a specific angle, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are called specific angles in a right angle triangle. Means 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And we have to calculate the values of the trigonometrical ratio, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. What is the value of sine 0 or sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, or we can say we have to find the value of tan 90, cot 60, etc., etc. For this one, you have to I am preparing a table here. Suppose I am writing a theta. I am taking an angle of theta degree, and theta can be interchanged with, it can be 0 degree, it can be 30 degree, it can be 45 degree, it can be 60 degree, and it can be 90 degree. This one, and I am making a line here, and this one. Here I will write trigonometrical ratios, and here I will write the values. Only one, with the help of only one, you can derive the 6 elements. What you have to do, this is the easiest trick for knowing about the angles. What you have to do, first you have to write a counting. Counting means, here the counting is starting from the 0, you have to remember it. Here the counting is starting from the 0. That means, first you have to write 0, then you have to write here 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. This is the first step what you have to write for finding the specific angles. Specific angles, again I am saying, it is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. The first step you have to do, you have to write the counting, and here the counting is starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to divide each of the terms with the 4, that is 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. This was the second step. And third step is you have to put a square root sign of square root, that is square root of this, square root of 1 upon 4, square root of 2 upon 4, square root of 3 upon 4, square root of 4 upon 4. All the values are here only. That means if you are solving it, the first trigonometrical ratio, that is equals to sine theta. Sine theta, and theta will vary. If I am saying sine 0, here I will get the value. If I am saying about sine 30, here I will get the value. 45, like this. Similarly for 90. Now we have to solve it. In this case, 0 upon 4 is a fraction. In this fraction, 0 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. When 0, any number, is divided by 0, you are getting 0, then sine 0 will be equals to 0. The sine 0 will be equals to 0. Now second case, this is 1 upon 4. This 1 upon root 4 can be written as square root of 1 upon square root of 4. What is the square root of 1? That is equals to 1. And square root of 4, that is equals to 2. That means sine 30 will be equals to 1 by 2. Now coming for the third one, that is 45 degree, 2 upon 4. You can say 1 by root 2. Okay, now this can be written as under root 2 upon under root 4. This one, under root 2 upon under root 4, or simply you can say 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. You can write here 1 by root 2. Then this will be equals to under root 2, this will be 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then under root of 1 is equal to 1, and under root 2, that is equals to 1 by root 2. Then sine 45 will be equals to 1 by root 2. The sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Here this will be under root 3 upon under root 4. This can be written as under root 3 upon under root 4. This under root 3 can be written as under root of 3. And what is the value of under root 4? That is equals to 2. That means sine 60 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Now 4 and 4 cancel out 1 times, and what is the value of under root 1? That is equals to 1. This is the entire formula, entire angles of a sine theta. We can say sine 0 equals to 0, sine 30 equals to 1 by 2, sine 45 equals to 1 by root 2, sine 60 is equal to under root 3 by 2, and sine 90 equals to 1. This was the simplest step. Now with the help of this only sign, we can derive 5 more. That means the second one is, suppose if I am writing it as a cos theta. Cos theta. Now what you have to do, you have to start counting from here. This is 1, then this 1 can be replaced here, right here 1. Then this under root 3 by 2 can be replaced here, that is under root 3 by 2. Then this will be here only, this will be under root 1 by root 2, and this will be here, that is 1 by 2, and this 0 will be here. Then this is the value of cos 0. That means cos 0 is equal to 1, cos 30 is equal to under root 3 by 2, cos of 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, and cos of 60, that is 1 upon 2, and cos 90 is equal to 0. Now the last term, that is about the tan theta. Tan theta. Now the trigonometrical ratio says sin theta, tan theta can be written as sin theta over cos theta. Sin theta over cos theta. This is an trigonometrical identity, that tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. If I am saying about the sin theta upon cos theta, that means this is the sin theta, this one is sin theta, and this is cos theta. You have to divide it 0 upon 1. If I am saying about it 0 upon 1, this will be 0 upon 1. This will be 1 upon 2 oblique under root 3 upon 2. This upon this. Then this will be 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. Then this is under root 3 oblique 2 upon 1 upon 2, and this will be 1 upon 0. Now we get 0 upon 1, 0 upon 1 and 0 upon 4. Both are the same cases. Then this will be equals to 0. That means tan 0 is equal to 0. Here this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out. The answer will be 1 by root 3. That is tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. In this case, square root of 2 are cancelled out. The answer will be equals to 1. Here, this 2 and this 2 are cancelled, and under root 3 is multiplied by 1. You are getting under root of 3. And here it is very important. Any number when divided by 0, you are getting infinite. Infinite means it is undefined. Undefined. This is the undefined. Now, with the help of sign only, I have derived cos, I have derived tan. In the case of next two, suppose if I am saying I have to derive cot, then cot will be reciprocal of this one. Means here I am saying, suppose this is cot theta, then this will be 0, suppose this is 0 degree, here it will be 30, here it will be 45, here it will be 60, and last that will be equals to 90 degree. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here the tan 0 was equals to 0, tan 30 was 1 by root 3, tan 45 was equal to 1, and tan 60 is 1 by under root of 3, and it is undefined. Now you have to change the sequence. In the case of sine, while you are doing the sine and cos, you have changed the sequence from here to here. Similarly, for the tan and cot, you have to change the sequence. For changing the sequence, that is, tan theta can be written as 1 upon cot theta. Tan and cot are the reciprocal. That means the first value, that is undefined. The first one is undefined. Then second one is equals to root of 3. This will be equals to 1. That will be equals, this will be equals to 1 by root 3, and this will be equals to 0. These are the terms for the cot theta. Cot theta, cot 0 equals to undefined, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3, cot of 45 that is equals to 1, and cot of 60 is equal to 1 by root 3, and cot of 90 is equal to 0 degree. Now we are coming for the next one, that is about the sec theta. The sec theta means reciprocal of, if I am saying about the sec theta, then sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta means you have to reciprocate it. This will be 1 upon 1. This will be 1 upon 3 upon root 3 upon 2. This will be 1 upon root 2. This will be 1 upon 2 and 0 upon 1. Then you can say this is the sec 0. Take this one. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. This will be reciprocal. That will be 2 upon root 3. Reciprocal of under root 3 upon 2, that is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that will be under root of 2, and reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is equals to 2, and reciprocal of 0. 0 means 1 upon 0, that is again undefined. Undefined. This is about the sec theta. And in the case of a cosec theta, you have to write first here undefined, then you have to write 2, this will be under root 2, this will be 2 upon root 3, and this will be equals to 1. This will be equals to 1. See here, sin theta 0 upon 1, 1 upon 0, that is undefined. 1 upon 2, reciprocal of 1 upon 2, that is 2. This will be under root 2, this will be 2 by root 3, and 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. By this method, only by using this approach, you can find out all the terms, all the angles. Only by, I am repeating it again, first step you have to do, you have to write the counting, but the counting is starting from the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then divide each term by the 4, means divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4, divided 4, divided by 4. Then you have to put a sign of square root. This is a square root, 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 this is a square root. Once when you find the value of sin theta, then you can find the value of cos, you can find the value of tan theta, you can find the value of cot, sec and cosec. This was all about the trigonometrical ratios of specific angles.